Hey there, here's interesting app called Not Boring Habits, sign-backed habit tracker. So let's just tap get, double click to install it, and then yeah, you should be able to use it. It's included in some other apps as well, and Apple Design Award winner 2022, science-backed method to build better habits. Uh, Studies show that a new behavior needs to be repeated 60 times for it to stick. It doesn't matter if you miss a day or break a streak, it just matters that you do it 60 times. Here are your guide, no guilt, no streaks, no funny rewards, just good fun vibes, widgets and reminders to stay motivated, skins to customize. So yeah, just open it up. So let's see how it works. And then you can see plans. So 5 apps, vibes, weather, habits, timer, calculator, widgets, skins, no ads. Yearly it's $20 or monthly $5. So let's and then you can just reach out all of this. Start a new habit. So like meditate, mm, set a routine. Like okay, so you can just do that. Of course, this app wants to send you notifications. Yeah, you can just see the idea and then meditate. So yeah, some interesting, nice graphics here. Mm, And then you can see all of the all of the details for the year. So yeah, kind of nice, cool app, I would say, really nicely designed. Um, Oops, I can't just understand some of the parts of the UI. I mean, it's designed in a cool way, but you just need to adjust to it. And then basically you will just have uh, yeah, the different steps towards yeah, your goal. So pretty cool. Select different skins as well, um, if you wanna. So a lot of designs here. Background music, haptics, minimalist mode. You can also enable that membership. To add a widget, you need to upgrade, and then you can just also become more. So yearly is $20, so you can do that. So yeah, kind of cool app. Definitely give it a try.